So students, there is a notice from the Meghalaya Board of School Education MBOs that there will be a re-examination for few students actually who could not appear exams due to certain reasons. Okay, now one news had come in the newspaper sometimes back that there was some kind of natural calamity, and because of that some students could not go to appear their exams. Okay, now these are only for the selected students. Now as you can see here that this is for both SSLC, that is class 10 metric, and class 12 HSSLC. So you can see this is the date routine. Okay, this is the routine and this is the date. Okay, 21st April 2022. Subject is science and technology, and previous examination center has been given Bajingdoba HSS. Okay, the previous examination center was Bajingdoba HSS, and the new examination center here is Bajingdoba HSS. It is not changed. Now look at the roll numbers here. Okay, only these roll numbers, students bearing these roll numbers, will go to reappear their exams actually. Okay, so as you can see here that examinations will be reconducted for the following candidates only, not for anybody else. Okay, so don't have this confusion that everybody has been given a second opportunity, a second chance to appear their exams. No. Okay, so I'll just go on scrolling. Even through my channel, I think the students might have got information from their respective schools, but it is a part of my duty also to inform all of you through my channel. So time is 10 AM to 1 PM, same. These are the exam centers. Please look at the roll numbers, only these roll numbers, not anyone else. जो roll numbers screen पे आपको दिख रहे हैं वही roll numbers, जो students, जिन students के ये roll numbers है, सिर्फ वही जाएंगे exam centers में exam देने के लिए. Okay, not anybody else. Okay, this was due to this kind of a natural calamity as far as my information is concerned. Okay, and many thanks to Meghalaya Board of School Education that they have given this second chance. Okay, I would like to really congratulate and thank the Meghalaya board for giving this opportunity to those students who could not go to appear their exams because of this natural calamity. Okay, possibly there was a landslide. As you know that it has been raining heavily for a long time. So there was a lot of destruction also here and there. Landslides occurred at many places, especially those hilly regions. Okay, okay, so these are the roll numbers, and these are your date, subject, your new exam centers. As you can see that exam centers have not changed. Okay, at many places, but here it has changed. Okay, here it has changed. Okay, from these two exam centers, now these were your old exam centers and this is now the new exam center. Okay, so look at the roll numbers, only these roll numbers will go. Okay, not anyone else. Okay, I'll just scroll once again so that all of you can see. This notice is available in the website of MBOs also, but still no need to download, you can take it from here. Okay, and this part is for HSSLC. Okay, class 12 higher secondary school leaving certificate. So your date, your subject, your exam centers. So previous exam center was this, your new exam center will be this. Okay, only these students. Okay, roll number 126517, 1266, 11, 222, 354, only these candidates, not anybody else. Okay, so please go through your roll numbers very nicely. If you see that your roll number is here, then you may contact your school and you may simply go to write your exams. Please carry your admit cards, your registration cards, and other things required for examinations. Okay, so that is it, and this thing is not important. Okay, so this is the routine. Okay, I hope through my channel, if anyone did not get information through my channel, they'll get the information. All right, and even your respective schools will also contact you. Obviously they have contacted you, possibly. All right, so this is all. Okay, and I hope this will be very helpful to all the students. I mean, those whose roll numbers are here, it will help those students only. Okay, once again let me repeat, this is not for everybody, this is only for those students who could not appear their exams, and only the roll numbers given here. कोई दूसरा roll numbers नहीं, सिर्फ जो roll numbers यहाँ पे दिए गए, only the roll numbers given here, only they will go to write their exams, not anyone else. All right, so that's all from me. Okay, I hope it will help you a lot. Thank you so much.